All right. Hey, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. I was going to talk about Meta today in this free or complimentary chart video, but I'm not gonna. We got in on it today on this volatility squeeze, and I'm kind of thinking that's the deal. 540. That's the price that I'm looking at to make this marginally worth the trade. I'm looking at 563 to make it definitely worth this trade. So my bet is we're going to go to there. But that's not what I want to talk about. Nvidia, everybody wants to talk about this, and I've been pounding the table on this for a while. So it would seem kind of silly for me not to talk about it now. So this this vertical line here is is on Friday. This is the day that the stock trades post split. So tomorrow at the end of the day, it will be splitting 10 for 1. I had a really strong feeling that the stock was going to be moving higher into the split. I didn't really anticipate it moving as high and as fast as it has. Though I will tell you, it's been a hell of a ride. And if you just believe in the chart, you're going to make a lot of money on this. A lot of money. People on the website have been crushing it here. And the reason I'm saying that is that if you look at the weekly chart, obviously this is a monster stock, but there's been no reason, there's been no sign of weakness where, oh, I guess that's the end of the trend. There's been none of that. After this long of a holding period where this thing really drifted sideways for almost 3 months, this stock was ready to jump higher again. And with earnings the way they were, and they are, the prospects of the company are just awesome. This is the most unique situation I've ever seen in almost 30 years of trading. I've never seen this confluence of a new industry, a leader in that new industry, head and shoulders above the rest, growth in that new industry that is literally off the charts, and then add on to that a textbook picture perfect chart with multiple entry points. So I'll say it again. I had given Kramer a $2,000 price target on this stock by the end of the year, and we'll just leave it there at 2,000, and I'll just say that's where, not even my 52-week price target, but just like I think this is where we're going to be by the end of the year. So if this is intriguing to you, then I'm not really sure why you wouldn't want to be long the stock, but maybe you have a reason. I think this is a stock you want to be taking advantage of and buying on any dips and holding on through the rips. This is not going to be one of those stocks where at some point, oh, they pull the curtain back and there was nothing there. It's Peloton, it's GoPro. No, this is not that. This is a monster company. They're just actually getting started. When it's at 2,000, then write me or join the website and ask what people should be doing. Or you could just join the website now and watch what people are doing and make it you as well. So that's my soft little sell for getting your butt on the website on stockmarketmentor.com. Okay. That's all I got for you, baby. I will see you next time.